Hey guys, 828 Find Adventure. I have got a what they call hidden. It's really not. I mean, if somebody was, you know, going through your car, they might find it. But it is out of sight. And what it is a little storage box that goes in your console under the lid. Now, a lot of people have seen these and I've seen some others and I've sent them back. There were just a lot of plastic and you press a little, you press on it and it springs out. Well, those tend to fail after many uses. What's neat about this one um, is it's got a magnetic, what appears to be a magnetic lid. Let me show you this. Now remember, this goes under the console cover that you put your arm on. So here's what it looks like. So it's got the double stick tape that'll stick up in there, and it's got this little thing here. And look at that. And if you see how that closes, so let me show you this. So like that, it's it's got like a magnetic, it's pretty strong too. And I can't see where the magnets are, but somehow it works. Magnets or springs or something's hidden in there. So this is what it looks like. It's a little different than the others you've seen that they make for the Tacomas and stuff. Now I'm sure you can get this for the Tacoma as well, but this one's specifically made for the 25 4runner. So it's got some nice felt here, double stick tape all the way around. So let's go install this and see if it's got some good uses. So let's do it. Okay, everyone, so where this goes is under this lid right here. And it will go, yep, fits up in there. It's a very snug fit. Oh, yeah. I mean, I haven't even taped it down yet, and it's holding. So let me show you. Let me show you what it looks like. Now, I haven't put the tape on yet or pulled the red stuff off the tape. So let me show you this. Okay, guys, here it is in the car. I've just pressed it in. I have not pulled the double stick tape pieces off, the red stuff off, to stick it in permanently. It's a very snug fit. As you can see, it just, and it's got those magnets to keep it shut. So that's nice, or whatever it is. And, I mean, the size of it, you can put your phone in there, your wallet, which would be great. And, it's just really nice. It's just a really snug fit. I really like that. So there'll be no rattling or anything. But has this nice little tab here you can pull. The others are kind of a press and it opens. I don't like those so much because that press thing wears out. We all know we have the sunglass thing up here that does the same way. And I'm always worried that the little plastic tab will break off and then it'll just hang open. But this is good. This stays shut. So let's go ahead and get that double stick tape ready and mount it permanently. Okay, let's get this tape off. Now what I'm going to do, like I always do when I use this tape, is I leave a little hanging out like this. You press it on, and then here, and you just pull it, and you pull these pieces, and then it sticks on, and then you press it, and it sticks on really good. But if you don't do that, what'll happen is if you don't get it just right, it might permanently stick, and then you can't correct it. Because so much of that double stick tape, which is strong, has adhered. Okay, now I've got that. Let's get some alcohol. I use 90% alcohol. Now we're going to put this in here. I'm going to pull these pieces out just like that. Very easy. There we go. All right, let me show you the finished product. All right, folks, there you go. Looks really nice. Let me zoom out a little bit. There you go. And it looks great. I mean, there's my hand in there. I mean, it's pretty big. Lots of room to put stuff. It's cool. Great storage compartment. And it looks like factory. There we go. Awesome. Okay, folks, that's what my video is today. It's this nice little storage box that goes in the lid of your console. This one's really good quality. Seems to have magnets to help close that lid, not a little plastic tabby thing. And I just like that little extra step in quality. I'll put a link under the video in the description. You can check these out. And I haven't seen another one like it. They're all that press type with the plastic tab. So this is really nice change. And you know, I've got more mods coming. So please subscribe so you'll see those on the Tacoma and the 4runner and the GTI. I got some of those coming this fall, or early fall. It's September-ish. And so, you know, just subscribe. Hit the thumbs up. Tell your friends. Anyways, it doesn't matter. But I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you check this out. Do your research, but check it out. It's really good quality console storage box thingy. You know, whatever you want to call it. And I will see you next time. See ya.